Hello, dear viewers. Today we will be reviewing the top 5 robot vacuums for you. If you're tired of cleaning your home or just want to make your chores a bit easier, this video is just for you. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the best performing, most convenient, and most innovative robot vacuums on the market. We'll evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each robot vacuum to help you find the one that suits you best. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last model will truly surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5. Proscenic Floobot X1 Robot Vacuum. Let me introduce you to the Proscenic Floobot X1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This device offers a deep clean for your floors in one go with its 3000 PA powerful suction and Vibrite high-frequency mopping system. The pressurized mopping pad vibrates 3000 times per minute to effectively remove stubborn stains. Plus, you can adjust the mop's moisture with 3 water levels to suit different cleaning purposes. This means perfect cleaning for all types of floors. The Proscenic Floobot X1 features a self-emptying dustbin that lasts for 30 days. The fully sealed 2.5L dust bag automatically collects dirt and debris from the vacuum, freeing you from the hassle of emptying the dustbin. The well-designed waste disposal port works with a high suction collector to minimize clogging issues. What about navigation? Thanks to the NuVis LiDAR sensor, the Floobot X1 accurately maps your home. It recharges and resumes cleaning from where it left off, and you can even select a specific room or area to clean on demand. With its slim design, it works elegantly under low furniture, leaving no spot untouched. This device is equipped with a total of 28 different sensors. In addition to the NuVis LiDAR and carpet sensors, floor tracking sensors ensure cleaning is done in neat rows. Collision avoidance sensors detect objects and prevent bumps, while cliff sensors keep the vacuum away from stairs to prevent falls. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. I'm here to introduce you to the Roomba Combo J7 Plus. This smart tech marvel seamlessly transitions from your dry carpets to hard floors, handling sweeping, mopping, and emptying all on its own. It keeps your floors spotless without any intervention from you. First off, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus knows exactly when to mop and when to vacuum. On hard floors, it simultaneously sweeps and mops. And when it reaches the carpet, it safely lifts the mop pad and continues with its powerful vacuuming. This way, you completely avoid those wet carpet messes. Thanks to iRobot's unique DRI, Dry Rug Intelligence technology, your carpets always stay dry. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus uses the auto-retract mopping system to lift the mop away from carpets, keeping them dry and clean. One of the most impressive features of this device is the Smart Scrub technology. With its smart scrubbing mop pads, it scrubs back and forth in areas needing a deeper clean, like paw prints in the mudroom, spills under the kitchen table, or tiles in your bathroom. It provides twice the deep cleaning compared to the standard vacuum and mop mode. You can forget about vacuuming for months. The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal has sealed bags and empties itself automatically, keeping the dust out of sight and your hands clean. Number 3. ECOVACS DEEBOT T30's Combo Robot Vacuum. Let me introduce you to an incredible product, the DEEBOT T30S Combo. This powerful robot vacuum not only cleans your floors, but also comes with a handheld vacuum for cleaning other surfaces and areas. So, you can enjoy a spotless home from floors to furniture. First, let's talk about the all-in-one cleaning station feature of the DEEBOT T30S Combo. It has a dual dust collection system that automatically empties the dust bins of both vacuums into the station's large capacity bag. Additionally, it supports 158 hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and automatic water filling, effortlessly handling any cleaning task. The DEEBOT T30S Combo boasts an impressive 11,000 PA suction power. With its advanced motor and airflow technology, it effortlessly cleans carpets. You can enjoy pristine floors in every corner of your home. Tired of dealing with tangled hair and debris? The DEEBOT T30's Combo's dual zero-tangle anti-tangle technology is perfect for you. It skillfully prevents human and pet hair from tangling in both the main brush of the robot vacuum and the handheld vacuum. This ensures smooth, continuous, and effective cleaning, leaving no spot untouched. The DEEBOT T30S Combo works with Apple Watch, smartphone widgets, and Dynamic Island, providing flawless control from anywhere. Of course, it also supports Alexa. Number 2. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum. I'm excited to introduce you to iRobot's most powerful and advanced robot vacuum, the S9 Plus. This incredible device will make your cleaning tasks completely automatic, making your life so much easier. First of all, the S9 Plus comes with 40 times the suction power. With its 3-stage cleaning system, it lifts, loosens, and eliminates debris and pet hair deep in your carpets. Its Power Boost technology ensures deeper cleaning for your carpets. Plus, the S9 Plus can clean itself. It empties its vacuum bin into a sealed bag that holds dirt for up to 60 days, so you don't have to think about vacuuming for 2 months. With Imprint Smart Mapping technology, you can clean your entire home more easily. You can control and schedule which rooms are cleaned and when. Perfect Edge technology and a specially designed corner brush allow it to clean deeply into corners and edges. This device is ideal for homes with pets, as its 40% larger dual multi-surface rubber brushes prevent pet hair from tangling. With its precision jet spray, it detects obstacles and cleans around them without bumping. Additionally, the S9 Plus is compatible with your voice assistants. It works with Google Home and Alexa-enabled devices. You can set it to start cleaning automatically when you leave the house and stop when you come home. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum. I'm introducing you to the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. This smart robot vacuum is designed to make your floors and mops sparkle. Firstly, thanks to its smart dirt detection feature, the mop is re-washed until it's clean, and extra mopping is performed on dirty areas. This ensures you get spotless floors and mops. Additionally, this robot comes with features like water filling, detergent dispensing, fast charging, and a self-cleaning dock. The dock also has a self-cleaning feature that requires minimal maintenance. The S8 MaxV Ultra boasts an impressive 10,000 PA suction power. This powerful suction allows it to reach deep into carpets and hard floors, effectively capturing dust and debris. Its dual-cylinder design reduces hair tangles and makes it easy to clean hair with its hidden scrapers. With its dual vibration modules, it performs high-speed brushing 4,000 times per minute, effortlessly cleaning dust, dirt, and stubborn stains. It offers superior performance with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. The S8 MaxV Ultra uses DurTech and Smart Dirt Detection to identify dirt and adjust its cleaning modes adaptively. For example, it can switch to mopping mode only for spilled juice. The Smart Dirt Detection in the dock ensures that the mops are cleaned based on how dirty the water is during the wash. This smart vacuum can identify and navigate around up to 73 different objects, including shoes, pet waste, and floor mirrors. Finally, with the Smart Voice Assistant Hello Rocky feature, you can start the cleaning process, adjust cleaning modes, and initiate mop washing and drying with just a simple voice command, even without an internet connection. All you need to do is say, "Hello Rocky." Yes, dear viewers, today we reviewed the top 5 robot vacuums. These devices offer great options to make your home cleaning effortless and efficient. I hope this video has helped you determine which robot vacuum best suits your needs. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments which robot vacuum you liked the most and are considering using in your home. See you in the next video. Goodbye.